All right, it's been 2 weeks since I planted the potatoes in the cloth bags, the fabric bags that I have. And the plants themselves are doing really well. As you can see, in 2 weeks, they're about 2 or 3 inches tall. The watering system is working really well. Haven't had any trouble with the watering system. I did add an extra emitter on the water system to get more water. These are the golden potatoes, but the russet potatoes look just like the golden potatoes as far as the leaf structure goes. It's slightly different, but they're doing well too. Here's the russet potatoes. Really well. These supposedly take about 100 days to make potatoes. Probably fill it up full of more dirt till it gets to the top of the bag. I might do that later this week actually. But they're growing really well. The russet ones look like they're actually growing taller. And right next to them I have a bucket with tomatoes. I'm going to try to grow tomatoes in a bucket. So I just planted those a couple days ago. I think the seeds were kind of really old, so I might have to get new seeds. But I'll give you an update on this as these grow along. I'll probably fill it up with dirt later today. A little bit higher anyway. But they're doing really well in the bags. And it doesn't apparently need any light. This one's pretty much shaded and it still grew. And as I said, the watering system's working really good. So I'm in Central Florida, and this is around the end of April, May right now. So this is what I'm growing. Golden potatoes and russet potatoes. 2-week progress in Central Florida.